it's your girl Nadia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Chronicles of Nadia. Hi guys, it's your girl Nadia here, and today we are going to be making some Dhalpuri Roti, my favorite, helping my dad with, Dhalpuri Roti. So let's get started. Now we're going to prep the dough. So we got some warm water, flour, I love this tool. We got some, brown sugar and salt, some baking powder, yeast. So we're going to pour in some flour, all of it, just to be technical. Oh, this looks weird. Now we're going to put in some baking powder. Alright. This kind of looks like flour, basically, because it's white. Brown sugar and salt. There we go. Just make sure I know it. It's the yeast. And pour little warm water. I get a hold of my hands. Just a little. Just a little. Now I gotta crunch it out. Actually, this doesn't feel that bad. Feels actually pretty soft. But look at my hands! Okay. Yeah, get some out. I feel the doughing now. I feel it. Now I gotta pour in just a little bit more water. Just a little. Now I gotta mix. This is actually not that bad once you get to know it. Alright guys, we're back from 15 minutes and an extra 5 minutes waiting for the dough. Now what we're gonna do is we have the filling here. It's yellow split peas, aka some dal, garlic, and gyro. It's a special spot the filling in. So we're going to put a little hole like that with our fingers. We're gonna make a bigger hole. Alright, now you put more of this. It's okay. We're still good. Alright guys, we're done and we already filled this one already. Now we're going to roll it out. I haven't never used this before. Okay, it's sticking on. I already filled it, so first you go on it so we can cook it. It's kind of like glue. Not to mention, yes it is. Spread it out evenly. Nice, get a little bit more. Finally done, so we are actually going to try it. So let's try it. So I'm gonna take this piece here, right? I'm gonna rip a little piece off. It's delicious, you gotta try this. See y'all next time, good. Bye, and remember, before I go,